Hello guys, welcome back to another fireworks review video. Now, if you have a 100 PLN budget for shopping for fireworks, what would you get? Now, this is my selection. So I'll show you guys what I have in this box. And yeah, let's get started. First ones. Now, these are actually fireworks that I got free while shopping in the fireworks store. So I got this as a bonus. Put this aside first. Or actually I should show you guys. This is a 50mm rocket. It's by Pyromax, by the way. So in one set you will usually get 7 rockets, but I got this for free, so they gave me 3 of them. And here I'll show you guys the effects. I can get it. They're golden glitter and golden spider. Well, I don't know what that is, but we'll see what that effect is. And then we have a next one. Here, red ring with crackling chrysanthemum pistol. Oh, this one is gonna be exciting. Man, I love the crackling effects. And then we have blue and brocade crown. Let's move on. Now, this is a rocket set that I got also. It's called Big Star from Cometa Fireworks. I can show you guys. There are 5 big rockets, 4 smaller ones, and 12 tiny rockets. So all of them is 21, as you can see up here. So actually, I'm not gonna read to you all the effects because they're all in the rockets and I don't want to have to open the whole set up. So I'll just show you guys around. You guys want to read it? Actually, let me tell you guys. These small rockets are 0.5 inches. These ones are about 1 inch, so 25mm, and the bigger ones are about 1 inch and 1 inch point 50. So it's about 38 or 40mm. Then we'll move on to the next cake. Taurus by Triplex Fireworks. It's written up here. And 16 shots, 20mm. Let me show you guys the effects. Down here. Red tail to red star with white strobe. Green tail to green stars and crackling. Red tail to purple star with green strobe, and green tail to chrysanthemum. So let me show you guys the cake. Remember, if you want to see something, just pause the video. Put it there. Now, this is not actually included in my shopping, so I just don't know how to explain, but I just bought this because I wanted to make a fireworks show from 3 cakes that I announced, that I reviewed last week. So this is a slow burning fuse, 1 centimeter per second. And then this is unusual, but I got a flare from the brand is, I don't know how to read that. It looks like it's a German brand, Jorg, I think. Now this flare burns for about 60 seconds, so a minute. So you got the fuse up here, and it bursts out like a fountain from here. It's a red one. So now these are hand fountains, so you can basically hold them in your hand like this, and you have to light it up from up here. There are no fuses, so I think you just have to burn these black parts on the fountains. You got a green one, a blue one, red one, a yellow, and purple. So here, let me show you guys. These are from Pyromax. There. And then we have these strobes. They're quite big. They burn for 60 seconds. As you can see here. Stroboscope, 60 seconds. They're from Triplex Fireworks. And in one set you will usually get 3 of them. So let me show around. Let me try to find the effects over here. I don't see it actually. Maybe it's not written here. Oh well, we'll find out when it's New Year. And we have 2 firecrackers. So I'll show you guys this one first. This is a 40 firecrackers. They're all connected up together. They're from Pyromax. Yeah. And then last but not least, we have the M100 firecrackers. It's similar like these ones, but this one just has like way more than that. And it's also from Pyromax. So, oh yeah, the fuse is over here, as you can see. You burn the fuse, and it all goes up at once. There. So yeah, alright guys, for 100 PLN, this is my fireworks collection. Of course, I have other fireworks to light up this New Year, so stay tuned for my huge New Year fireworks video. I'll put a link in the description below to the fireworks shop that I bought my fireworks from. So if you're interested, you can go check it out. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, you can leave a comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell button so you will always get notified every time I have a new video. Share this video to your friends, and we'll see you in the next one.